So to start, we're going to try and get all equations onto one side so that one of the sides equals 0. So we're going to subtract 21 from each side. So that gives us 2x squared minus x, which equals 21. Oops, I did that wrong. 2x squared minus x minus 21 equals 0. Okay, so then we're going to use the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. So in this scenario, a equals 2, b equals negative 1, and c equals negative 21. Now plugging this into the formula, we get negative 1, which is equal to a positive 1, plus or minus the square root of negative 1 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 21, all divided by 2 times 2. And then now simplifying, we will get 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 minus negative 168. Forgot the parentheses there. And then this will be divided by 4. So since we're subtracting a negative here, it will become 1 plus or minus the square root of 1 plus 168 divided by 4, which becomes 1 plus or minus square root of 169, which does turn out to be 13. So then 1 plus or minus the square root of 13, all divided by 4. So now to get the answer for x, we will do the equation. This is not a square root of 13, it's just regular 13. 1 plus 13 divided by 4, which is equal to 14 over 4, which is also 7 halves, or 3 1/2. And now we will subtract. So 1 minus 13 divided by 4, which is equal to negative 12 over 4, which is negative 3. So x equals 3 1/2 and negative 3.